Look what we have here. It's a carton of ice cream. Let's scoop some out. Oh no! We're all out of ice cream. Let's make some more. First, we'll need some ingredients. Let's see what we have in our refrigerator. Look what we have here. We have some milk for our ice cream. And we also have yummy fruits and vegetables for our ice cream flavors. Let's take them out. We also need our cutting board and our knife. Plus, we'll use this peeler to peel our vegetables. Here's an eggplant to make eggplant flavored ice cream. Let's peel this and see what we have. It's corn! We can make some corn flavored ice cream. Here's a brown onion. We can use this to make onion flavored ice cream. Here's a red tomato. And what's this? It's white cauliflower. Let's peel off the leaves and we'll cut. Here we have an orange carrot. Now we're all done cutting our fruits and vegetables. Let's use this ice cream maker to make our ice cream. Let's put our fruits and vegetables in. And add our milk. Oh my gosh! So many scoops of ice cream! Let's make an ice cream cone and count how many scoops we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 scoops of ice cream.
Fun as toys.
Hi guys, we're making pancakes, but first we need some eggs to make our pancake batter. Let's get some from our refrigerator. Let's see what we have. Is this what we need? No, it's a piece of cake. Squishy cake. Is this what we're looking for? No, it's a hot dog. Here's what we need. 1, 2, 3 eggs. Now let's make our pancake batter. Our batter's ready. Now let's fry some pancakes. Here's our stove and our frying pan. Now we're ready to turn over our pancake. Our pancake is ready. Now let's make one more. Now let's flip it over. All done. Let's take it to our plate. Now let's cut our butter. And we also have more toppings in these cups. Let's see what's in our orange cup. What do we have here? It's mushrooms. Let's see what's in our green cup. We have strawberries. Here's our yellow cup. What's this? It's pepperoni slices. Let's see what's in the orange cup. It's green peppers. Here's another yellow cup with black olives. Let's see what's in our red cup. It's blueberries. Our purple cup has bananas. And our last cup, our blue cup, has chocolate chips. Whoa, that is one yummy pancake.
Fun as toys.